The 10 News Weather Authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
Good evening, everybody. I'm meteorologist Edward Shaw. Well, today marks the official peak of hurricane season from a climatological standpoint, and that's certainly shaping up that way. We are watching Francine down in the Gulf right now, as well as two other areas to possibly form into something in the next few days. Now, low temperatures overnight tonight, 55 in Roanoke, 47 in Blacksburg, 48 in Pulaski, 52 in South Boston, and 52 in Danville. So again, another cool, clear night. And as we look at tomorrow's highs across the country, we'll still be in the 80-degree level, right there about the 81, 82-degree mark. So pretty on average for this time of year. Cooling down further in the Pacific Northwest, where they'll have temperatures highs in the 40s. So compare that to further down south in the Southwest, where temperatures in the hundreds tomorrow. As for us, again, like I said, we're going to be running about average for this time of year. 83 in Roanoke, 81 in Blacksburg, 79 in Pulaski, 84 in Danville, and 82 in South Boston. So just tomorrow, going to be very similar to what we've seen today. Now, looking ahead at the next few days, 83 tomorrow, Wednesday. Going to have temperatures above average for most of the Midwest, especially along the Ohio River Valley and further to the south. Thursday, though, we're going to start to cool down a little bit. 80 degrees, 83 in Richmond, 80 in Charlotte. And then by the time we get into Friday, we'll be down back into the 70s, running below average for this time of year. Now, what's going to happen is we have a high-pressure system up to the northeast that's going to be keeping us cool and mostly dry. However, that combined with Francine, which is going to be pushing on the western part of our area, those two pressure systems are going to be combining to really start to phase each other out almost, I guess is the way to put it. Now, looking at Francine currently, it's expected to get up to about Category 1 status by tomorrow morning and make landfall later on this time tomorrow night. Could see some incredible amounts of rainfall along the Gulf Coast. Anywhere from 8 to 12 inches are expected in parts of Louisiana. Just overall, going to be a lot of flooding, especially along the path of the storm as it heads into the later days this week and into next week. Now, this is what I'm talking about when I say we have this pressure system up here as well as Francine. So as Francine moves further north and inland, it's going to bring in a lot of this tropical moisture into our area. However, that high pressure system is going to keep more of our cooler temperatures within the area. But Francine, or whatever's left of it at this point, is going to be bringing in some cloud cover. That's going to be what really cools us down. Going to get down into about the 70s, but we could have a few showers in the area as well, especially Saturday and Sunday, and then maybe a few lingering along the area Monday and Tuesday. As for your 4-zone forecast, thinking the New River Valley and South Side have the greatest chance of any rain over the next few days.